So who doesn't like a little controversy, or however you want to say it, in Supercross? This week, it's about whoops. Now, if you watched the race in Tampa, you know, or if you didn't know, the whoop section actually had two more whoops at the end. One was removed initially, and another one was removed again. So there's this little drama, whatever you want to call it, rumor thing that Roger DeCoster holds a lot of sway about this kind of thing. Now, if that's true, who knows? Obviously, some people are better in the whoops than others. Some people it's a strength. Some people it's a disadvantage. But this particular set of whoops, being one long and two directly into a corner, a 90-degree corner that with no berm to help anybody with cornering, well, apparently it was discussed. Let's put it that way, about how well it was going to be handled or how it should be handled. Well, by the end of it all, two were removed, and some people weren't very happy about it. Now, there's no big thing about this. There's no everyone in a big uproar about it, but obviously it does give some people less of an advantage than they normally would have, because obviously every whoop is the length of a bike, so you're taking 2 bike lengths of whoops away, which makes it a lot shorter of a section for people. But Mike Muye, I don't know how you say his last name, M-U-Y-E, said, quote, "Prior to the start of practice, some riders mentioned the need to remove one whoop at the end of the lane to provide more time for the bike to settle before making the turn leading up to the triple. So we did. After watching practice, our team, both Feld and the AMA, felt it still unsafe as several riders we witnessed had near issues. So we, Feld and the AMA again, decided removing an additional whoop was the best and safest option. It should be noted that we never take a single team or rider's advice on track adjustments." So there's the little bit of, no, it's not this guy calling and saying, hey, our riders don't like it, remove those. So he continued to say, "If approached with a concern by a team or rider, we'll immediately ask other teams and riders for their input. This provides us with a collective decision for the better rather than one individual's preference." There it is. He said it right there. This is not something that we do and say, hey, call up KTM and what do you want? How many whoops? Do you want us to remove some? Do you want to make this? No. But obviously you got to have some people say, and yes, these whoops did claim a couple people, Item C and Cyril, and most notably Chase Sexton. That's the section of whoops where he fell and threw away the win. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think really adding 2 sets or 2 more whoops, 2 sets, whatever you want to call them, really helped or hurt anybody? And obviously going into a 90 with a flat corner, no berm, if you come right off a whoop and you have an unsettled bike, you're not braking, you don't have full braking force, you're going right into the wall or off track. And, once you're off track with these things, it's just cement or plywood, not cardboard. And they have absolutely no grip, which is dangerous, especially going, whatever they do in 3rd, 4th gear through those whoops. There's a lot of speed happening. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you really think that he's just trying to play it political and say, nah, we called a lot of people? Or was there really somebody just calling and saying, hey, change this, make it better for us? Whatever it is, it's not that big of a deal, but I thought it was kind of fun. So in the comments below, you tell me. As you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.